Hi, I'm Jill and our Handmade team has gathered together to bring you all the Christmas cheer. I'm going to start by showing you how to spruce up a plain canvas stocking 3 different ways. Let's get started. For your 3 stockings, this is what you'll need. Faux fur, glitter, chipboard letters, ribbon, pom-pom trim, yarn pom-poms, a kitchen sponge, and fabric paint. And of course, plain canvas stockings. For this first one, I'm going to glue on pom-pom trim in alternating colors. Now I'm just going to flip it over to the back side and glue down my ends for a neater finish. I've got some awesome faux fur for this next stocking. To cut a straight line every time, just make a small cut and tear it by hand. I'm gluing this faux fur to the top cuff of this stocking. It's a great way to add texture during the holidays. To add a little more decoration, I decided to decoupage and glitter a chipboard letter with my daughter's initial. For the last stocking, I'll be painting on crosses with acrylic craft paint. To stop the paint from bleeding through, I'm going to put 2 sheets of cardstock inside my stocking. I cut the corners from a kitchen sponge to create a Swiss cross stamp. I'm using a second plate to blot off some of the excess paint. I made these yarn pom-poms earlier, and now that my stocking is dry, I'm going to hang these from the loop. These 3 stockings were super simple and so cute. All 3 of these have a modern Scandinavian vibe that I'm really digging this year. Let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe, and if you missed any of our handmade holiday DIYs, check out the playlist below. Happy holidays, and we'll see you next year.